Oh, morning, boys. Top of the mornings to you. Remember a week or two ago, I got a package, a little bit of package in the mail from Friday Parts. They sent us some rollers for Robert's kitty. I thought that was might have blurgenced, eh? Darn near caught myself doing a curtsy. Well, it turns out that's not the only trick they got. Eh? They're not a one-trick pony over at Friday Parts, boys. Turns out I got something important to tell you. Friday Parts is celebrating their 10 anniversaries. 10 anniversaries this year, boys. 10 years of helping people fix their tractors and excavators, mowers, rollers, lawn, fucking sod cutters, you name it. They got your parts. And to celebrate, they're doing a fantastic giveaway. So here's how it works, boys. It's super simple. 2 steps. 1 step, 2 steps. That's it. Step 1, subscribe to Friday Parts on YouTube. Links in the prescription. Step 2, leave a comment in this video. Say, Friday Parts, happy 10th anniversary. That's it. And you're entered to win a $250 toolkit from Friday Parts. It's a solid toolkit, boys. People are going to be cracking their appreciatory valve wide open when they win this one. Act fast, because entries end on September 15th. So don't wait. Get your comment in before then. Good luck to everyone who enters, and thanks again for Friday Parts for sponsoring this one, boys. So we'll just close off with some sweet shots of Bob's kitty all fixed up there. Still needs a couple things, but 3 of the rollers better than factory, boys. So appreciate it. I just wanted to friggin' throw that out there. Friday Parts reached out. They want to continue to sponsor the bitches, so I'm totally stoked about that. And I mean, if they're gonna give you guys $250 toolboxes, what do you got to complain about? But anyway, it's me and Fallon started a job on like the 27th or something, and it's like the 12th or something now. Couple rain days, couple this and that, but you know, we got a solid friggin' 10 days of just ruthless, boiling hot, cooking in the sun, gonna friggin' die type situation. So stay tuned for that one. You're not gonna want to miss it. It's the biggest job we've done so far, and it is diabolical to say the least. Luckily, I didn't underbid this one, boys. Hey, I saw it and I was like, that is a lot of work. Hey, holy shit! And I was right. So I think we nailed her on this one, boys. But any words? Links in the prescription for Friday Parts. Don't forget to leave your comment. Happy anniversary, Friday Parts. 10th anniversary, happy 10th anniversary. And one of you lucky bastards is gonna win a toolbox. Enough said.